So my last UGC video got such an amazing response. Over 4,000 of you watched it and the comment section was flooded with the question. So I picked the most asked ones, and in this video I'm going to clear all your UGC doubts, from whether you need a separate UGC account or how to find a paid projects even if you have a zero followers. So let's start. So first question is, should I make a separate account for UGC? So if your main page is more personal or mixed with like my account have acting, lifestyle, fashion and a random content, then yes, it's good idea to make a separate UGC account. Think of it as your professional portfolio where you only post sample UGC videos like reviews or client works. So it helps brands instantly know what you offer. But if your current page already looks like clean and brand friendly, so you can start from there too. The second question is Instagram enough or should I make a portfolio? So Instagram is great for visibility, but portfolio is where your brand deals closest. So brands don't want to scroll through your feed to find your work. They want one clean link. So you can make a portfolio and it should be like a Google Drive, Canva or Notion, which works perfectly. But if you don't want to make that, then you can make YouTube playlist, which is unlisted playlist, and put all your brand links over there. Think of Instagram as your shop window and your portfolio as your store. Now the third question is, do brand work on commission basis? I don't know why people ask this, but UGC work is paid per video, not commission based. You create content for the brand, they pay you a fixed amount, but some affiliate programs or influencer deals might give you commission per sale. But if you're doing UGC, clarify this in your first chat. Is this a paid project, paid UGC project, or a commission based project? So the fourth question is, will brands collaborate with the small or new creators? Yes, because UGC is not about followers, and I've already cleared that in my first video. It's all about how natural your content feels. So brand use your videos for their ads, not for your audience. So even if you have 100 followers or less than that, if your content looks professional and relatable, you can totally land a paid work. Fifth is how to find UGC work apart from Instagram. Okay. So I know Instagram is great for DMs and it's great for visibility of your deals, but you can also find UGC work on other platforms. So the first is Fiverr and Upwork. They are freelancing platform. You have to create your portfolio over there. Second is LinkedIn. Search UGC Creator India or content creator for ads. You'll get more of jobs like work over there. Third is Facebook group. I didn't get any work from there, but I see like it's more active in US and Canada, but you can get foreign deals over there. And fourth one is cold email pitching. Find small brands on Instagram and write a short email or attach your portfolio. And the fifth one is Collabster. It is also a platform where you can attach your social media and also attach your work portfolio over there. And they weekly post their campaigns over there. This is the good question. Should I pitch to brands or agencies first? So, what would I suggest if you are just starting out, you haven't done any work before? I would say pitch directly to small brands first, because they reply faster and they need fresh content and they are open to testing creators. So, once you get few projects, you can then pitch to agencies, because they usually manage multiple brands and they pay better, but they also expect a more polished work, more professional. So start small and then learn the process and then scale your portfolio. Okay, so that's all, and that's it. So your most asked UGC questions I have all answered, and I hope this makes your UGC journey, more clearer. So if you still have more questions, drop them below, and maybe I'll make the part three. But I think I have already covered all of your question in part one and part two. And if you haven't seen part one yet, go watch that, and it will help you how you start your UGC journey from zero. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm dropping more behind the scenes and brand collab videos very soon.